Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant Blue the Fox. And for this week's Take and Make craft, I'm showing you how to make these woodland watchers. So they are cool little animals whose eyes move. In your craft kit this week, you'll receive a template of your animal, 2 popsicle sticks, and a template for your eyes. You'll need scissors, your coloring supplies of choice, and some tape or glue. For our first step, we are cutting out our template. Once that is ready, we can trace it onto our cardstock, making sure to leave enough room to use the rest of the paper to make our eyes. Then we can use our eye template to trace out 2 eye holes. Feel free to place these wherever you'd like, but try and keep them parallel to each other, so right next to each other. Then you can color in your template however you'd like. I'm giving my bear a nose, some ears, a little frown, and coloring in his body. Then you can cut out your template, and I'm folding over on the eyes to cut out the eye holes so there is nothing behind them. And little ones may need some grown-up help doing this. Then we are cutting out a rectangle about the same width as the eyeballs and the length of our head. And then we can tape this to make a sleeve. So we're taping on the top and bottom, but not on either side, so that we can insert our eyes in later so they can move. Then we can cut a sheet that is slightly thinner and slightly longer than that and insert it into the pocket. From there we can add our eyeballs. Of course, you can give your animal any expression you would like and have them look any direction you would like. It seems like smaller pupils does help. Then for our last step, we can give our woodland watcher a little handle to make him easier to use. I'm just taping my larger popsicle stick in place. And then our bear is free to look wherever he would like. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with a new Take and Make craft.